Hey, welcome boys and girls to our next series of videos. Today we'll be tackling the topic of percentages, which is the third hardest topic in 11 plus for maths. So we're going through the revision questions taken from the book 11 plus maths revision guide and worksheets by Faraz A. So let's spin up the whiteboard, jump straight into it. Okay, right. So there are 120 students in class, 1/3 of them are cricket, so you need a bit of fraction skills on this one. So total is 120. So cricket equals 1/3 of 120. Oops, which equals 40. 40% like chess. So equals 40% of 120. How do you work out 40% of 120? So 40 over 100 of means times 120 over 1. Cross off the matching zeros. 4 times 12 is 48. So that is 48. And the last one is remain likes hockey. So you do 120. Every student likes 120. How many students like cricket? Oh, it's cricket. It's already done. So it's 1. It's B. Same question again. How many kids like chess? Well, chess we got was 48. So number 2. Kids like chess. So chess is 40%. Yeah, 48. So mistake here should be C. Number 2 should be C. Mistaken answers. %of a number is 8.1. What is the number? So let's work these out. 27% of 8.1. 20% of a number is 8.1. 8.1. So that's 27 over. This is fractional missing quantity of means times. So put off it, put off it. It's 8.1. Normally you divide by the bottom times by the top, but when you don't know the quantity, you divide by the top and times the answer by the bottom. So let's do 8.1 divided by 27. So let's do make it easy. Do 8.1 times 100. So move the decimal point 2 times. So 2 times to the right. 8.1 times 100. 810. And then you do 810 divided by 27. Okay, so you're gonna have to do some trial and error. How many 81 divided by 3? So I think 3 goes into that. You can do 27 times. If you're not sure, have a guess. I think it's 3. But so you try, or you try 2, you try 4. You see which one's closest, and that gives you 81. So 3, so 30. So the answer is 30. So number 3 is C. Okay, number 4. Adam buys a bag of $36, sells it for 39.6. What is the percentage profit? So you do 36.60, 39.60, take away 36. And what is that? So 36.6 take away 36. So it's 39. So it's 39.60. Take away 36. So 3.60. So then you do £3.60. That's the profit, and you put it over its original amount, which is 36, and you times it by 100. So 3.6 divided by 36. So you can how to do this one. So 3.6 divided by 36. So how many 36 go to that? You can't do. So that gives you the ability to add a 0 whenever you want. So it becomes 36. And 36, 1, 0.1. So 0.1. So it's 0.1 times 100. Should give you 10%. So number 4 should be C. Of this. Biden has pencil box. So this is for answer question 7. So 7, 8, right. Okay, what's the total? Red, say red, green, orange, and black. So you add them all up. So total. 7, add 8, add 6, add 9. 7, add 8, add 6, add 9. Equals 30. So number 5 is easy one, 30. Okay, what percentage of the total pencils are orange? Well, how many are orange? 6. So you do 6 over the total, which is 30, and then times it by 100. So if the match is 0, 1 goes in. So 220. So 2 times 10 is 20. 20%. So number 6 is B. Okay, so let's go on to the next questions. Mark price of a coconut biscuit kit is £1.20. The discount is 20%. What price needs to be paid for the coconut biscuit packet? So discount means whenever you see the word discount, it means price taken off. So discount means take away. So you take away. So you work out first of all. So whenever you see discount, it's got a percentage decrease. So first of all, for percentage increase or decrease, you first of all work out a percentage. So 20% of 120, 20 over 100 times 120 over 1. So the matching 0 there, matching 0 there. 2 times 24. Okay, so that's the discount. So that's the one. And then because it's discount, you take away. So 120 take away 1 to 24. That equals you 96. So it's 0.96, which is B7B. Great, let's write this out. So remember, discount means take away or percentage decrease, and tax means percentage increase. The VAT, value added tax, that's an increase. Okay, another discount one. So again, another percentage decrease. A mark price of a shirt is $12. Discount is 25%. So you work out again 2 steps. First of all, work out 25% of 12. which equals 25 over 100. Or you can do it in your head, because 25%, every time you see 25%, it means divide by 4. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. And then you do, because discount, 12 take away 3 was 9. So 8 is 9. Another discount question. The price of a dress after 50% discount is 34. Okay, so the price of a dress after, so the key word here is after. So let's just highlight this. After a 50% discount is $34. So the way you write this. So now it's after discount. So 100% take away 15 equals 85%. Okay, so now, so after discount, it's 85% of something. You don't know what that something, how much it is. Original price is 34. So you do 85 over 100 of 34. So normally you divide by the bottom times the top, but if you don't know this, you divide by the top and times the answer by the bottom. So 34 times 100, so 85 equals 34. So 85. So divide. So you do. So what's that? So 34 times 100 is 3,085. You do 30, so that equals this colour. So 34 times 100 divided by 85. 3,400 divided by 85. Let's do that here. And you're going to have to guess when you're doing double digits how many 85 is going to 340. So roughly that's 80, and that's roughly 34. So it's, maybe you could try 320. So that's roughly 340 is roughly to 320. So we could try 4. So let's do 85 times 4. 0. Carry 2. 12, 140. So 8 times 4 is 32. 32 add 2 is 340. So that goes in directly. So you put 4 there. This up. 340 there. 0, 0, 0. So 40. 40. So equals $40. So put it there. Good. Okay. So watch out for that one. I think there's quite a few questions like that, so we'll get some plenty of practice. Price of bicycle after 30% discount. So same technique. First of all, you do 100 take away 30, which equals 70%. 70. Now you do 70% of something, which you don't know, equals 175. I put 70 over 100. Of means times 175. Now you do that equals 175 times 100 divided by 75. So that equals 175,000 over 75. Now again we're going to use on. Okay, so again you're gonna, when you're doing double digits, you're gonna have to do some trial and error. So how many 5s going to 175? So if you think 75, it's probably going to try 2. So divided by. Okay, so we're going to do 2 roughly. It's 150. 20. Just realised I made a mistake. It's not 75, it's 70. Yeah, because this is 70. So it should be 70. So let's rub this out. Okay, so 175, 70, roughly reckon it's 2. It's 140. Do the takeaway. 5, 350. So how many 70 is going to 35? So 70, if you think that's 7, and times by 5 is 350. So you can choose that's 5. 350. 0 minus 0. Next number down. 0, 250. That gives you the answer is 250. So the answer is D. 10 is D. Good. Let's rub those out to make sure. She's nice and neat. Doesn't confuse my thinking. Okay, if one earns £44,000 per month, he pays 15% of his tax for income. How much money is left after he's paying tax? So first of all, you work out the tax. So again, it's pays tax, so it's percentage decrease. Okay, so he's paying. So first of all, number one, you do 15% of 4,000. 15 over 100. Of means times 4,000. 1. Of course, it's the matching zeros. So 45 times 15 times 40. 600. So that's 600. So that's the first step. And then you do 4,000. Take away 600. Percentage decrease. Which should give you 11D for 3,400. Okay, let's move on. An exam, Andrew gets 96 marks and it was 8% of total score. So 80% of the total, which you don't know, equals 96. So 80 over 100 of means times. So this is fractional quantity. If you haven't done fractional quantity, go back to the fractional videos. So divide by the top and times by the bottom. So it's 96 times 100 divided by 80. Let's cross the matching 0 here. So 960 divided by 8. Okay, so you can do here 960 divided by 8. So that'd be 1, 2, and 0, 120. Okay, so that's number 12. Number 12 is B. Okay, good. 45% of 240 is, well, we've done these quite a few times. 45%, 240 times 240, so 24 times 45. So you got one here, and then divide by 10. 45 times 24 divided by 10, which should be equal 108. Same thing here, 75%. So I'm not going to go through that because let's see, you do 75 over 100 times 640. So the answer should be 480. 14 should be D. And 35%. again, same 35 over 100 times 64. Times 64, send 22.40. 15 should be C. Okay, total expenditure to make a burger is $4 and the shopkeeper sells it for 16. What is the percentage profit? So do 6. So the profit, first of all, work out profit. So it'd be 16 take away 4, which 16 take away 4, which is 12. And then you do percentage equals 12 over the total times the original amount times 100. So that equals 3 times 100, 300%. So 16 should be C. 12% off 15% off 20% equals what? So first of all, we've got to start with 20% of 2,200. So 20. So you do 20 over 100 times 2,000. Yeah, so times 2,000. Or we can do 10% and double it. So that equals 400. And then you do 15% of 400. 60. And then you do 12% of 60. 12 over 100 times 60. Yep, so 12. Should equal 7.2. 17 should be D. Okay, so 30% of a milk is already been drunk by the kid. What percentage left? What's easy? 100 take away 30 is 70. So number 18 should be D. Number 19, 55% of total girls are girls. What percentage are boys? Again, easy, 45. 19 is 45. Ben must save 1,500 by bike. He saved 600. What percentage is required? With the required money he has saved. What percentage of the required money he has saved? He must save 1,500 to buy a bike. He has saved $600. Of the required money he has saved. So okay, so what he's got. So let's break some of that stuff. So the total he needs to save is 1,500. So put total 1,500, and he has saved 600. So saved save 600. And he says what percentage of the required money has he saved? So it'd be 600 over 1,500, and then you times it by 100. So cross off the matching zeros. And you do 600 divided by 15. So that goes in 4. 40. That would be D. And the last question. The price of TV after 40% discount is $7.20. What's the price of TV before discount? So we've done this before. So you do 100 take away 40, which equals 60. So 60% of something equals 720. So you do 60 over 100 of 720. So now, well, let's just cut off the matching 0 here to make it easier. And 6 over 10 is 3 over 5. Something equals 720. So if you cancel, it makes it numbers smaller. So now, instead of dividing by the bottom times by the top, because it's a fraction missing quantity, so you don't know this, so you divide by the top and times by the bottom. So 720 times 5 divided by 3. 720 times 5 and divided by 3 equals 1,200. So that gives it 8. Okay, and completes our percentage revision questions. And move on to the next video to do percentage